Hey guys, you see, got a package in the mail, but we were asking why do I have my TrueAlert ES out? You'll see why. This is another device that I've been wanting to get. So let me put this down so I can cut this open and unpackage this. So what I think it is? Oh yes, it is auto call. And you'll see why I have one of my TrueAlert ESs in the on the side of things. A49AV APPLW. So basically, the auto call equivalent to the 49 AV APPLW that I already have. That's already a pain in my butt cheeks. So let's open this up and see. There's the instructions. The device. I have a cover for it. And that is this guy. But I did also order a mounting plate for it too. But the seller has not shipped it, so I had to have a word with him. Well, I just asked them what was going on. Why didn't it ship? I'm waiting. So, yeah. Seems like address dip switch up. One is up, so I'm gonna have to. So I'm gonna have to figure out something. But yeah. So I'll be back and because actually do a quick little tweak real quick and just go, where's that normal conventional local FACP, normal conventional. I need to consult the manual. I'll be back. So it's wired up to the addressable controller, but it's not communicating. And I know why. I was going to try to put those claims to the test, but apparently I've been put to the test. My ignorance has been put to the test. Or should, but because see, this thing's not pulling. So it seems like the rumors are true. Auto call stuff will not work with simplex equivalents. Oh man, I just made a big mistake. Anyways, thank you for watching.